This is Richard from Pastime Workshop, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Starbond. They sent me a gift with this card in it, and this card, whoop, there you go, special thank you. I was not expecting this. They're not a sponsor of mine. It just says special thank you for your recent order. And what they gave me was some Starbond accelerator. I really appreciate it. I've never had a company do that before, and I tell you what, I switched to Starbond about 6 months ago. I've placed a couple orders with them, and this is just a fantastic way to show their appreciation for a customer. And Starbond, I appreciate you too. If you guys like my channel, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.